Welcome to the Mandala Editor, where creativity meets tradition, in the heart of the Himalayas. We believe in fostering a deep appreciation for Himalayan artistry. This is why we developed the Mandala Editor, an innovative tool designed to seamlessly replace, duplicate, add, or remove artistic elements, without disrupting the intricate structure of your creation. This toolkit aims to empower artists, artisans, crafters, and anyone with a passion for creativity, offering a versatile platform to explore and express their artistic vision. The Mandala Editor caters creative enthusiasts of all skill levels, with a range of powerful features, tailored to elevate your artistic endeavors. Jumpstart your creative process, with the diverse selection of pre-made mandalas. Explore a broad library of designs, and choose the perfect elements to enhance your creations. Achieve precision and balance, with the addition of vertical, horizontal, diagonal, and circular construction lines, through the grids feature. Create a foundational sketch, by outlining the shapes of your mandala design with the outline tool. Personalize your mandala further, by adding colors to the background, shapes, and outlines, based on your specific use case with the Colorize feature. When your masterpiece is ready, effortlessly adjust its size, and export it for high-definition printing, or digital files. Thank you for listening.